How to activate Chase Freedom credit card account. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. After you have applied and been approved for a credit card offer, your new card should arrive in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Your credit card will arrive in a sealed envelope and instructions on how to verify receipt of the card. If required, you may also receive a set of instructions for activating the card. If your credit card requires activation, you may have various activation methods to choose from, such as over the phone or through your credit issuer's mobile app. Your credit card may also come with a cardholder agreement that you should read carefully to learn more about your interest rates, available perks and rewards, and more information on how to enroll on an online account, set up autoplay, and alert messages. There are two common methods that you can use to verify or activate your card within minutes. The first one is to call the number on the card. Look for the sticker on your credit card that contains instructions on how to activate your card. There will be option to activating your card over the phone by dialing a toll-free number and following instructions from an automated voice operator. You may be instructed to input your credit card number over the phone or a secured PIN to complete the verification process. The second process is activating online. The sticker on your credit card may include a secured website link to activate your card. Once you're on the website, you will have to follow a set of directions, which may include verifying your credit card number and security questions. You can typically begin using your credit card immediately after verifying receipt or activating the card. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.